Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the iOS emoji keyboard and making sure Honista is updated. This avoids display mismatches. Once done, grant clipboard or paste permissions when Honista asks, because you will copy and paste emoji. Next, open a draft post in Honista and type a short sentence, then switch to the emoji keyboard and insert a single emoji to verify rendering. This immediate test prevents issues later and gets you into the app workflow quickly. You now mix emoji with text. Use the globe icon to swap keyboards and tap emoji where you want emphasis. Once you place emoji, think about why. They add tone and quick signals, so keep sequences concise. If you need combined glyphs, insert emoji sequentially and adjust spacing or use zero-width joiners if supported. This creates compound forms. Make sure to preview the draft in Honista to confirm the visual order and how mood reads. You're at the finish line. Post the message and then verify it on another device or browser because emoji can render differently across platforms. If you see empty boxes or mismatched glyphs, update iOS and Honista first and repeat with basic emoji. That often fixes compatibility. If paste fails, clear the clipboard, recopy the emoji, and restart Honista. These quick steps resolve most glitches so your emoji appear as intended for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.